Hello to all my beloved star viewers. Kamusta po kayong lahat? Ready na ba kayo sa next reading natin? Okay. So, alamin natin kung ano yung reading para sa'yo. Okay, ni universe. For this week. Okay. Or ano ang dapat mong malaman? Alright, Spirit Guardian Angels, anong dapat malaman ng ating viewers? Message, important message. Ano ang dapat reading natin ngayon? Tungkol saan ang reading natin ngayon? Kamusta kayong lahat? Sana kayo ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Love, love, love lang tayo dito sa ating reading. Bawal ang nega. Kung nega ka, then leave us alone here in my tarot reading channel, The Start of Tarot. Love, love, love lang. Okay? Walang perfecto. Okay? So again, this is general reading. Just take what's yours, then leave the rest behind if you don't feel resonated at all in this reading. If ever na sa the whole video na hindi ka naka-resonate, hindi you feel yung reading, maybe this reading is not meant for you. Sa next reading na lang ay baka kayo ay maka-resonate na at makuha natin yung energy mo. Okay? Sa mga YouTube, sa mga subscriber natin dyan, to all my beloved star viewers, beloved subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagtangkilik nyo or sa pagtutok nyo at sa support na binigay nyo sa akin dito sa akin, The Start of Tarot reading videos. Okay, nakaka-appreciate po yun. At sa mga cross-watcher, kaway-kaway naman dyan, please do subscribe, nakaka-appreciate po yun. And leave your comment below as soon pagka naka-resonate kayo or ano masabi nyo sa reading na ito. Alright, Spirit Angels, tell me more about our viewers. Whoever watched this video, anong dapat na malaman? Okay? So we have here 9 of Swords. Okay? And 5 of Swords. Okay? Yung iba dito sa inyo dito, that's your current energy here. 9 of Swords and 5 of Swords. You are feeling stuck. Okay? Parang hanggang ngayon, parang nakahiga ka lang iniisip yung mga nakaraan. Yung mga tao na hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Okay? May mga tao na backstabber. Yung may mga tao na nasaktan ka or parang na-scam ka or nilayasan ka. Okay? Hanggang ngayon, parang hindi mo pa rin tanggap or hindi mo tanggap yung ganun-ganun na lang. Okay? Na parang iniwan ka sa ere. Okay? So again, this could be related sa love life, okay? Relationship, partnership, or work business, okay? Career, friendship, studies. So, whatever it is, ikaw lang nakakaalam. Okay? So, mayroon ka siguro dito mga takot. Okay? Takot ka na mangyaring muli ito. Okay? Mangyaring muli na na-backstab ka, mangyaring muli na broken-hearted ka o parang iniwan ka sa ere na wala man ng parang feeling betrayed. Okay, siguro na betrayed ka ng mga kaibigan mo or somebody close to you or special to you. But you know what, parang tuko ko dito na nababago ka or nabago ka ng taong ito or nabago ka in this journey or in this experience. Okay? Ang nabago yung ano mo, yung point of view mo because of this experience. Okay? Pag nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety, takot na maka-experience na, you know, to open up or to open yourself to someone new person. Okay? We say, nagkaroon ka kasi ng takot. Parang napapangunahan ka ng takot. Takot ka na magmahal muli. Takot ka na magtiwalang muli. Okay? And there's a part of you na hindi ka tanggap-tanggap o hindi mo pa natanggap hanggang ngayon na natalo ka or, you know, bigla kang tinalikuran ng tao ito or na-backstab ka. Yung mga ganun pangyayari. Okay? So parang, it's because of that happen, okay? Or maybe this person cheated on you, okay? Or may maginawang kabalustugan behind your back, and until now, hindi ka pa nakapag-move on. Until now, parang bumabalik pa rin sa isipan mo na, I can't believe this person did to me. What this person done. Okay? Yung mga pangyayari o yung mga nagawang ng taong ito sa akin. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah. So, lahat binigay mo. Meron pa nga dito parang pati virginity mo, naibigay mo sa taong ito. I'm sorry ha. Hindi ito para sa lahat. Pero parang iniwan ka pa rin sa ere. You are still not enough. Kaya hanggang ngayon, hindi ka pa rin nakapag-move on. So again, hindi to para sa lahat ha. Again, this is a general reading. This is just like a specific energy that I'm getting. Okay? So, yung iba sa inyo gusto mo ng revenge. Okay? Kung itong taong ito ay nakagawa ng hindi maganda sa iyo, okay? Gusto mong mag-revenge, gusto mong matalo itong taong ito. Okay? You want changes. Yeah. You want this person to come back na manghingi ng sorry sa iyo. Okay? Or babalik. Okay? Yeah. Siguro man ang bully sa iyo, okay? Siguro man ang bully sa iyo. I'm getting like may pagka-inosente ka rin eh. And that's why these people are taking advantage of you. This person is taking advantage of you na madali ka lang mabully. You are being blinded. Okay? Wala kang kalam-alam, napaka-inosente mo. And that's why these people, okay? I'm getting like, parang marami, ang daming, na-attract mo yung mga taong nag-take advantage sa'yo, be. Okay? Ang daming na-attract sa'yo. Siguro you have been in a different relationship. Okay? Kaya lang parang, umaalis lahat eh. It's because these people are taking advantage of your goodness. Okay? Napaka-inosente mo. Okay? Parang sa kanila kasi parang okay lang. Parang yung iba nga parang titikman ka lang dahil sa katawan mo eh. O parang gusto lang matikman ka. I'm sorry ha. And that's why, parang nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety. You have fear. Okay? Na-stress ka. Parang dumating sa point na, saan ka ba lulugar? How to revenge? How to be the winner? How to defeat? Okay? Paano ko ba masugpo itong kasamaan, itong mga ginagawa ng mga tao, itong mga ginagawang hindi maganda para sa akin, itong mga taong ito, I'm sorry. There could be a group of people na parang sinasabotahe, okay? Or nalilinlang ka ng, nalilinlang ka ng taong ito or ng mga taong ito. There's also like a group of people na parang against towards you. So parang, hey girl, you need to fight back. I would say you need to fight back. Hindi pwede yung, kasi the more na hindi ka, parang hinayaan mo lang sila sa ginagawa nila, mas na-attract mo pa yung mga, yung mga nagte-take advantage ng mga tao. Okay? So para hindi sila mag-take advantage sa'yo, parang nakasandal lang sa'yo, okay? Or just a user, you need to show your fears. Kailangan ipakita mo sa kanila yung tapang mo, talino mo, na hindi ka tanga. Okay? Na hindi pwede na magiging aso ka lang na sunod-sunuran sa kanila. You have this loyalty within you. Yeah. So you need to show your fairness, yung pagiging lioness, na hindi ka basta-basta naapakan ng mga tao. Okay? Nangyari man yan noon, from now on, kailangan tumayo ka na. It's time to get up. Hindi pwede nakahiga ka lang na parang inaapak-apakan ka lang ng mga tao sa paligid mo. This is the time for you na to get up. Tumayo ka. This is the battle of life. You need to face the battle of life. Wow, this is really a heavy message for you here. Yeah, bumangon ka. Okay? Hindi pwedeng hayaan mo itong mga tao na apak-apakan ka. Ilang mga tao na nag-take advantage sa'yo. Ilang mga tao na nag-backstabbing sa'yo. Ilang tao na ang nilayasan ka. Iniwan ka sa ere. You need to stand up. Okay? It's time to fight. It's time to face the fight. Okay? Kailangan mag-start. This is an encouraging message for you from the universe. You are a beautiful creature. Okay? You deserve love. You deserve respect. Okay? To achieve that respect, love that you are wanting, yung mga hinahanap mo, or kung gusto mo ng changes, na hindi ka na apakapakan ng mga tao, or mag-take advantage or use, or just mga user, gagamitin ka lang, tapos iiwan ka sa ere, it's time to get up. It's time to face the true battle. Okay? Yung mga challenges. Okay? It's time to defeat that fear. Kailangan paglabanan yung mga takot sa buhay mo. Takot sa isipan mo. You are stronger than what you think. Okay? Maybe sa iyo, I'm not a fighter, I'm a lover. Hey, that's not the case. It has to be both, a lover and a fighter. Okay? Lumaban ka. Huwag mo hayaan yung mga tao na sugurin ka lang, iwan ka lang sa ere, gagamitin ka lang. Hindi siya magandang ano sa'yo. Okay? Parang, the more na hinayaan mo lang itong ganitong sitwasyon, the more na mas na-attract yung mga tao sa'yo, na yung mga user. Okay? You can face the challenges with chin up. Okay? Kailangan talaga nakataas noo ka. Kaya mo to. You are a fighter. Okay? You are a lover and a fighter. You can fight the battle. Sino ang sunod? Okay? We say, kung may lalapit sa'yo, okay? Kailangan talaga na suyuin mo or suyurin mo. Ano yung tawag doon? You make sure that you check that person's personality before to accept that person in your life, that to be part of your life. Okay? So kailangan talaga na pag-aralan mong mabuti kung sino yung kausap mo, kung sino yung kasalamuha mo. Hindi pwede na, okay, tayo na. Okay, friend na tayo. Yung ganon. Kasi alam ko na may takot ka na eh. Yeah. Nagkakaroon ka ng anxiety. Okay? And again, if ever na nagkaroon ka man ng yung iba nga sa inyo parang bully ka rin eh. Alam mo, kung ikaw itong tao na bully, alam mo ang balik sa'yo, karma. Okay? So, you need to change that habit. Kailangan baguhin mo yung habit mo na magiging bully. Okay? Siguro, yung iba sa inyo, hindi mo alam kung namimintas ka ng tao, parang sa'yo, parang normal lang naman, but deep down, that person is really being bullied by you. Okay? Yeah. I'm saying, kung ikaw itong bully, okay? Just a reminder, siguro minsan sharp ka magsalita or talagang straightforward. Please, hindi lahat katulad mo na can accept that right away. Kailangan talaga, emotionally, mentally, you need to be more sensitive. Okay? Kasi yung iba sa inyo dito parang, you treated them the same as you, na straightforward. Oh, this person's not gonna be mad. Kahit sabihin ko siya, huy, ang pangit mo naman. Ang pangit ng outfit mo. Pero alam mo deep down, nasasaktan yung taong iyon. Nagiging bully ka. Okay? Instead na mag-compliment ka, think properly twice or more than that. Okay? Be sensitive. Para hindi karma ang may balik sa'yo. Okay? Kasi iba-iba yung personality natin. That's also a reminder for you. Okay? Lalo-lalo na ikaw ay, parang straightforward kung magsalita eh. Walang masama dyan, kaya lang, dapat talaga ilagay sa tamang paraan. Okay? Yeah. You have to keep in mind na hindi lahat ay katulad mo. Na matatanggap yung mga hindi magandang pananalita. Okay? Yeah. Kasi iba-iba tayo eh. May mga sensitive, may mas sensitive pa sa sensitive. Okay? So, dapat lang talaga na maging fair ka. Okay? Maging thoughtful ka. Okay? So, again, para hindi makarma, be sensitive. Okay? Instead na ma-compliment mo sila in a good way, okay? Isipin mo ng mabuti, ng maayos kung ano ang dapat mong sabihin. Okay? Kasi minsan may compliment na sa sayo, compliment, pero sa iba, bully. Parang napagtawanan siya o napahiya mo siya. Okay? Yeah. And you need to treat people, talagang kailangan alam mo, this is a message na may kailangan kang baguhin dito. May kailangan kang baguhin sa personality mo, sa pananalita mo, most likely sa pananalita mo. Okay? Be sensitive. Pag-isipan mo mabuti kung anong sasabihin mo sa kapwa mo. Okay? And stop being so bossy. Kailangan pantay. You need to listen to other people's opinion. Hindi lang yung opinion mo lang ang pakinggan mo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, ang dami mong admirer, ang dami nag-a-admire sa'yo. Yun nga lang, may mga admirer din na parang gagamitin ka lang. At marami din mga tao dito na user. Okay? Yeah. So again, sa mga tao na parang nawalan ng pag-asa, feeling down, nagkakaroon ng takot sa sarili na magkaroon ng to be in a relationship again or to meet new people, friendship, it's time to stand up. Okay? Kailangan bumangon ka. Okay? Para mas ma-attract mo yung mga positibong tao, ipakita mo sa kanila na matatag ka, na malakas ka. You are fearless. Okay? You are loyal. Okay? Hindi ka tonto, hindi ka tanga. Ipakita mo yan sa kanila. Malakas ka, mabuti ka. And please, be surrounded with the good people. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan na makipaghalubilo sa mga tao na hindi mo naman kaparehas. You know what I mean? Like, emotionally. Be with people that you are in the same level of emotion. Okay? Sa emosyon. Or pagiging sensitibo. Kasi yung iba sa inyo masyadong sensitibo din eh. Okay? Parang kunting bagay lang, parang na-hurt na kayo agad. Anyway, it's time to change. May mga changes dapat pagbaguhin mo dito. Okay? So, alisin mo yung mga stress mo sa buhay. Again, the universe is urging you pagbabago. Okay? Baguhin yung pagiging matakutin. Okay? Yung mga stress, burden, okay, anxiety. Okay? Kaya it's time to change that pattern. It's time to get up, bumangon ka. Tama na yung tulog ng tulog. Bumangon ka, ipakita sa lahat ng mundo na kaya mo to. You are strong. Okay? Yeah. Hindi ka nila basta-basta matinag. Okay? Let's get the dragon. Alam mo, parang in-urge ako yung dragon message. What else we're getting? Just the dragon message here. Okay. What else? A message for the dragon. From the dragon. For you next week. Okay. Alam mo, you have a blue energy. So, check nyo yung blue energy. Okay, online. Anong ibig sabihin ng blue energy? Earth dragon clears your path and the land around you. Yes, so, the universe is clearing the path for you. Opportunity, changes, pagbabago. Okay? So, kini-clear, okay, ni dragon, ni universe or your guardian angels, whoever you believe, they are helping you to meet a new people, a good people around you. Tinutulungan kanila na may pakita sa kanila yung tamang daan para sa'yo. Okay? Para magkaroon ka ng peace of mind. If you're looking forward na magkaroon ng peace of mind, the universe is granting you that a new beginning. Success is about to happen for you. Okay? You will be defeating the problems. Okay? Matatalo mo itong mga problema. You can reach your goal as long as you stand tall. Kailangan talaga na laging mapanatag. Okay? At kailangan talaga na lagi kang kaya mo yan. Alam mo, your affirmation is, I am strong, I am a fighter, I am a lover, people care for me, people love me. I can do this. So the more na sinasabi mo sa sarili mo, the more na okay, napupunta ka sa tamang daan, napupunta ka sa, you are clearing you are clearing this negative people around you, clearing the negative energy around you. And the universe, that's your energy right now. You are clearing, okay? May clarity dito. Okay? You will be receiving this acceptance, okay? Yung acceptance na makapag-move on if this is what you have been looking for or wanting. Yes, the universe is helping you na ma-clear iyon. Magkaroon ng clarity. Okay? Siguro meron dito na kulang sa closure. Maybe you need anong tawag doon, courage na magkaroon ng closure or to speak up. This is the right time to speak up. Magsalita ka. Okay? Kailangan talaga na maging ka sarili mo. Believe in yourself. You need to believe in yourself. Open up. Kunwari, gusto mo may gusto mong sabihin sa ex mo o sa tao na nasaktan ka, speak up na na-offend ka o nasaktan ka niya. Para malaman ng taong ito, wow, ano ba to, ganyan na to. Para ma-realize din ng taong ito na offend ka, nasaktan ka. O nagkakaroon ka ng takot because of this person or these people. Okay?